Hey guys, in this video I am going to tell you how you get rid of termites in best easier way. Termites are known as a silent destroyer because of their ability to chew through wood, flooring and even wallpaper undetected. You don't need to worry about that. This remedy will help you to get rid of termites at home. To make this remedy we will require such ingredients. First of all, neem oil. You can use neem oil to treat termite. Once the termite eat the oil, they are poisoned to death. You will likely have to apply neem oil a few times to get rid of all the termites. Diatomaceous earth. Diatomaceous earth damage insect ultimately dehydrate them, sprinkling it on the infected areas and around the foundation of your home. Boric acid. One of the simplest home remedies to kill termites is through boric acid. Boric acid dehydrates a termite and shuts down its nervous system. White vinegar. The best solution in the case to call a qualified termite exterminator for inspection and treatment. The most homeowners tend to get rid of termites on their own. One of the well-known home remedy is to kill termites is vinegar. Now we can make this amazing remedy. At first we need neem oil. Simply we just add 1 teaspoon of neem oil into the container. The next ingredient is diatomaceous earth. We just add 1 teaspoon of diatomaceous earth into the container. In the next step, we need 1 teaspoon of boric acid as an ingredient. Just we add 1 teaspoon of boric acid. At last, we just add 1 teaspoon of white vinegar into the mixture. Now mix it well. Look, and the remedy is ready to use. Hey guys, if you like this video, please like and share this video and also subscribe this channel.